Hey guys, because I'm a fan of I do my research and I build a different version of AI which is functioning like a mechanical brain to its information source is actually Gemini, but this it's prompted on thinking more better and to run as human psychological process. So guys, I'ma share the link to you, and this is the application CPT link. And once you go on CPT link, it stored the session, and as you see, it's cyberpunk UI. And scan neural network means you scanning the models, which is Gemini model. If you're not ready have the code, get the code here. Just sign into your Google and get the API code here. And just initialize the uplink. And there we go. That is the previous chats. You know, she thinks on the way like advanced 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 instruction helper robot or something. It states some guidelines how to think better and how to decide better. This is very useful cognitive assistant, cognitive robot or android, whatever. And you can inject any information here. They know any context of information, and use this tool as wisdom, as generator of wisdom. It's actually a transducer. It transduce your your ideas, your context. It transduce the events, the contents, and it's formulate a better cognitive process in mind. That's why guys, just download this, and uh the link is on my Facebook account. I about this transducer. This is the code, as you see, and I'ma give it on link description. Just just a copy. It's my invention to create something different, to talk with high cognition intelligence robots. I don't know, just a neon cyberpunk vibe. Like, comment, and just subscribe. See ya to my next YouTube video. Bye.